Hello everyone, I'm Sneha, back to my YouTube channel Story Session with Sneha. So this time I was not reading out to you any story, but I was sharing with you some easy process by which you can transform your life, you can change your life and bring in some positivity, some enlightenment and to change your perspective. So I was reading out to you a 28-day drill which is from the book The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, and I've read out the first day drill. Today I'll be moving on to the day 2 drill which you should be following to bring in some happiness, positivity and to find happiness in little things, to count your little blessings which we neglect many a times, which we do not pay heed to. But if we just sit back and think about these small things, and if we just think that what would have happened if these things were not would have been in our life, then we can see there can be so many changes which could have happened, and there wouldn't have been much happiness which we are having now. So in order to find out the happiness which you already have than to seek happiness from others, it's very important to bring in some change in your life too. And as I have practiced this and it has given me a positive result, I thought of sharing this with all my viewers, with all of you, my subscribers, so that you can also bring in some change in your life. And you will see after the 28th day, there will be a new version of you, which is, I won't say much better, but much more changed and having a better perspective. That is what is important. You cannot change as a person, right? Because you have got your specific trait, you have got your specific habit, but you can always rectify yourself. You can also always revamp yourself to bring in the best in you. So I'm helping you out to find out that best part of you. So let us today see the day 2 drill. Okay, so the day 2 drill is the magic rock. Reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty, not on your past misfortunes, of which all men have some. So this was said by Charles Dickens, the very famous writer. So let us start with the day 2 drill. In the beginning of the working of these practices, it takes concentrated days in a row to make gratitude a habit. Anything that reminds you to be grateful is helping you turn your life into gold with gratitude, and that's exactly what this magical practice is about. Lee Brower presented the gratitude rock practice in The Secret film and book when he told us the story of the father of a dying child who used a gratitude rock to be grateful for his son's health, and his son made a miraculous recovery. Since then, the gratitude rock has been a proven success with many people the world over who have used it for money, healing, and happiness. You can find a magic rock from your garden if you have one, or from a riverbed, creek, ocean, or park. If you don't have easy access to any of these places, then ask your neighbors, family, or friends. You can even have a precious rock or stone already that you can use as your magic rock. First, find a rock or a stone. Choose a small size that fits in the palm of your hand and that you can close your fingers around. Choose a rock that is smooth, without sharp edges, not too weighty, and that feels really good in your hand when you hold it. When you have found your magic rock, put it by your bedside in a place where you can definitely see it when you go to bed. Clear some space if necessary so that you can easily see your magic rock when you go to bed. If you see an alarm clock, put it next to your alarm clock. Tonight, just before you get into bed to sleep, pick up your magic rock, hold it in your palm of one hand, and close your fingers around it. Think back carefully through all the good things that happened during the day and find the best thing that happened that you are grateful for. Then say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened. Return the magic rock to its place by your bed, and that's it. Every night for the next 26 days, follow the same magic rock practice. Before you go to sleep, think back through the day and find the best thing that happened that day. While holding your magic rock in your hand, be as grateful as you can for that thing and say thank you. When you look for the best thing that happened during the day, you will search through many good things that happened, and in the process of searching and then deciding on the best one, you are actually thinking of many things you are grateful for. You will also be ensuring that you go to sleep and wake up in gratitude each day. The Count Your Blessing and Magic Rock practices will ensure that you begin and end your day in a state of gratitude. In fact, they're so powerful that together they would change your life in few months. But this book is designed to change your life really fast through an abundance of magical practices. Because gratitude is magnetic and it attracts more things to be grateful for. The concentration of gratitude over 28 days will intensify the magnetic force of your gratitude. When you have a strong magnetic force of gratitude, like magic, you automatically magnetize everything you want and need to you. So let us see what we should be doing. You will have to find a magic rock and put it by your bedside. Before going to sleep tonight, you will have to hold your magic rock in your hand and think of the best thing that happened today. Say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened today. Repeat the magic rock practice every night for the next 26 days and read tomorrow's magical practice today. So this is your day 2 drill. So I would like all of you to follow this and to comment down below what change you could see after the day 2 drill. So I'll be coming up with the day 3 drill in my next video. Till then, be in good health and continue to share love, to spread happiness, smile among each other, and try to be kind to everyone. Spread happiness and Merry Christmas to all of you. Be in good health. Bye bye. We'll be seeing you in next video. Till then, signing off.